Number 1. 1989 GMC 1500 short bed, $4,000, Dansville, Michigan. This 1989 GMC 1500 is an appealing short bed classic pickup with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a clean overall presentation. The truck was reportedly built in Texas about 5 years ago, and the seller states that both the engine and transmission have relatively low mileage. It is described as a clean truck with a clean engine bay and good driving manners. The short box configuration is particularly desirable among square body enthusiasts because it gives the truck a sportier and more collectible appearance than the longer work-oriented versions. With its simple mechanical layout and strong aftermarket support, this could make a very enjoyable classic driver. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet K1500 4x4 long bed, $500, Lincoln Park, Michigan. At only $500, this 1989 Chevrolet K1500 is clearly a project or parts vehicle. It has a 4.3-liter V6, 5-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive, but the failed clutch prevents it from moving under its own power. The body is also described as very rusty. The engine and NV3500 drivetrain are reportedly good, making it an inexpensive option for a 4-wheel drive project or drivetrain donor, although the extensive rust should be carefully inspected. Number 3. 1981 Chevrolet 1500 long bed plow truck, $1,600, Boswell, Pennsylvania. This 1981 Chevrolet is a solid old work truck equipped with an 8-foot Western power angle snowplow, a 350 cubic inch V8, and a TH400 automatic transmission. It reportedly runs and drives, with a missing gas tank strap and damaged left rear spring among the listed issues. 2 new spring packs are included. Its reliable drivetrain and snowplow equipment make it a useful winter or utility truck. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet C10 square body, $7,400, Frederick, Maryland. This 1985 Chevrolet C10 is a customized square body pickup with a 305 cubic inch V8, working air conditioning and heat, rally wheels, and a lowered stance. The seller says it runs and drives great despite some smoking and minor leaks. A new seat, along with new carpet and various body parts, are included. Its patina, vintage styling, and lowered suspension give this C10 strong custom truck appeal. Number 5. 1976 Ford F100, $2,000, Hurt, Virginia. This 1976 Ford F100 is a winter project said to be about 90% complete. It offers classic mid-70s styling and an automatic transmission, making it a solid restoration or custom build candidate. The main concern is the lack of a title, so buyers should verify the paperwork before investing further. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 1500 short bed 4x4, $5,500, Alum Creek, West Virginia. This 1986 Chevrolet square body pickup is an attractive 4-wheel drive project with a clean appearance and relatively little rust. The seller reports that the 4-wheel drive system works extremely well and that the truck has received numerous new components, including an aluminum radiator, ball joints, and tires. The engine reportedly sounds strong, while the transmission is the main mechanical concern because it behaves somewhat strangely despite pulling hard. That issue should be investigated carefully before purchase. The short bed configuration, black exterior, blue interior, and square body styling give it plenty of enthusiast appeal. With the rust reportedly minimal, it could be a strong foundation for a driver-quality restoration. Number 7. 1989 Ford F250 Custom 4x4, $2,450, Strasburg, Virginia. This 1989 Ford F250 features a 351 cubic inch fuel-injected V8, 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and dual fuel tanks. The seller says it starts easily, runs well, does not smoke, and has almost new tires. The speedometer is unreliable and it lacks air conditioning, but its clean title and heavy-duty setup make it a practical choice for work, hauling, or farm use. Number 8. 1986 Ford Ranger Custom Short Bed 4x4, $1,000, Cooperstown, Pennsylvania. This 1986 Ford Ranger is an affordable 4-wheel drive project with a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine and a failed head gasket. The frame is reportedly excellent, while the rocker panels and bed are solid despite some floor pan holes. With repairs, this increasingly collectible compact pickup could become an appealing project. Number 9. 1988 Ford Ranger Long Bed, $8,000, Colonial Beach, Virginia. This 1988 Ford Ranger is a well-refurbished long bed pickup with a 2.3-liter engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and 2-wheel drive. It reportedly has cold air conditioning, no rust, and good driving manners with more than $10,000 invested. The truck uses a 1992 Ranger drivetrain and has a minor exhaust leak, but remains an appealing usable classic pickup. Number 10. 1986 Dodge D100 Custom Short Bed, $5,000, Alderson, West Virginia. This 1986 Dodge D100 is an attractive original classic pickup with a 318 cubic inch V8, 7 and 27 3-speed automatic transmission, 2-wheel drive, and factory air conditioning. It reportedly has one owner, smooth shifting, excellent driving manners, and a strong running engine. New headlights and drum brakes have been installed, while the 9/4-inch limited-slip rear axle adds durability. Its originality and reported 47,586 miles give it strong collector appeal. Number 11. 1984 Dodge D350 1-ton dually, $5,900, Paynesville, Ohio. This 1984 Dodge D350 is a heavy-duty 1-ton dually with a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The seller describes it as extremely solid and says the engine runs well enough for yard driving. The cab mounts and cab corners are reportedly in excellent condition, which is particularly important on an older heavy-duty truck. The major mechanical issue is the brake system, which needs new brake lines before the truck should be used on the road. Its history is also appealing because the seller purchased it from the original owner, who bought it new from Claiborne Dodge. That provenance adds character and potentially makes it more desirable to collectors. Number 12. 1988 Ford F150 XLT 4x4, $3,000, Ballard, West Virginia. This 1988 Ford F150 XLT combines 4-wheel drive, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a reported 139,000 miles. 4 brand new tires with fewer than 100 miles of use are a significant practical upgrade and immediately reduce one major ownership expense. The truck reportedly has only a small amount of rust around the bed wheel openings. The manual transmission and 4-wheel drive combination make this an especially useful configuration for a classic work truck or recreational pickup. Its straightforward mechanical design also makes it relatively approachable for restoration and maintenance. Number 13. 1954 Chevrolet truck on S10 frame, $8,500. Louisville, Kentucky. This 1954 Chevrolet is a classic example of a vintage body combined with modernized running gear. The 1954 Chevrolet truck body sits on an S10 frame and is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a 350 automatic transmission. 10-inch rally wheels in the rear and 7-inch wheels in the front give it a traditional custom truck appearance, while the abundant patina adds character without pretending to be a factory restoration. The seller reports that all lights work and that the truck runs and drives well. The S10 chassis conversion should provide easier serviceability and more modern driving characteristics while retaining the iconic early Chevrolet body. Number 14. 1941 Chevrolet Pickup Rat Rod, $8,000. Chatsworth, Georgia. This 1941 Chevrolet Pickup is deliberately built as a rat rod rather than a factory-style restoration. It features a 350 cubic inch V8, 350 automatic transmission, power brakes, LED headlights, a custom center console, touchscreen radio, and a wooden bed. The seller says it runs and drives perfectly, shifts smoothly, and can be driven anywhere. Its loud exhaust and aggressive personality are clearly intended to attract attention. The truck also has a title, which is an important advantage for a modified classic. For buyers who prefer mechanical upgrades and personality over originality, this could be a very entertaining vintage Chevrolet. Number 15. 1962 GMC 1-ton dump truck, $4,600. Nevada City, California. This rare 1962 GMC 1-ton dump truck features a big block V6, manual transmission, and a working power takeoff hydraulic dump bed. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, master cylinder, rebuilt generator, and starter. It needs tires and must be trailered because it is currently unregistered. Despite the 126,000 indicated miles, its working dump equipment and vintage character make it an interesting utility truck. Number 16. 1977 Chevrolet K20 Scottsdale 4x4, $7,500. Bernie, California. This 1977 Chevrolet K20 Scottsdale has an especially appealing history because it was purchased new by the seller's grandfather and has remained in the family. The truck features a completely rebuilt 454 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. The engine runs well from a separate fuel supply, but the fuel system still needs diagnosis, while the timing and air-fuel mixture require additional adjustment. The body reportedly has mostly surface rust, with only one small area of serious rust through the front left fender near the door. A two-owner history, clean title, strong big block engine, and functioning four-wheel drive make this a very attractive square body project.